Thank you very, very much for all of you that have come to Aruba to celebrate this moment of opportunity with us, to work with us towards a new future for our country, for the Dutch Kingdom, but also for all the partners in Latin America and Europe. We have worked today together, we have spoken and we have reflected on the opportunities. And as I walk around, I see so many people that are inspired and encouraged by the opportunities that we have displayed and we have discussed together today. So I would like to ask you, keep this moment in your heart. Think about it. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Celebrate this evening, and tomorrow let's start working hard again. Hartelijk dank.